Hi, this is Jeff from Method. There comes a time in every growing company's journey that it'll need a CRM. The right CRM will help you drive more sales, deliver better customer service, extend your marketing reach, and boost your overall productivity. But not every CRM is the same, just as every business is also not the same. Rather, there is a perfect match for your business, and the key is knowing what you need and will benefit from the most to pick up the best solution. Alright, before we unpack how to find the best CRM for your business, let's quickly recap what a CRM is. A customer relationship management system is a suite that helps businesses manage customer relationships and interactions using automated or manual processes. Some key CRM processes include data collection, account management, customer service support, marketing campaigns, and sales tracking. If you find yourself needing a CRM, then congratulations, you've reached a critical growth point. One where your customer base is rapidly growing, sales volumes are getting larger, and revenue is reaching new heights. Now you need a software stack that will organize all those functions in ways that will lift the limits on your growth and give you 360-degree visibility of how you're growing. So, how do you choose a CRM? When choosing a CRM, you need to examine each target suite's following capabilities. Ease of use. I'm sure you saw this one coming. It makes no sense to adopt a CRM or any software that eats up your time and energy. A difficult CRM will distract you from focusing on your business, will delay your team from learning the platform, and will result in a waste of money. Now, just to be clear, we're not saying some CRMs are inherently easier to use than others, but rather, you need to see if the user experience of your top CRM options match up with how you run your business. For example, if you're not planning to add a few dozen different types of roles in your CRM to cover super specific business functions, then you don't need a high-powered CRM suite. You can survive with a simpler, less expensive CRM instead. One of the goals of your CRM purchase should be to free up your time and your staff's time by taking tedious, repetitive, and error-prone tasks out of your team's hands. This is where automation capabilities are key. If you're manually copying information between spreadsheets or manually updating your QuickBooks file each time a sale happens, then you need to leverage automation. Not only does this save you time from manual data entry work, but it also eliminates the risk of errors that typically come out of such repetitive tasks. Your CRM should be able to connect or interoperate with your existing software. Building from the last point, if you're using QuickBooks, for example, then getting a CRM that syncs with QuickBooks is a great idea. That'll help you extend and build your QuickBooks data across sales, customer service, and other functions. Putting it practically, imagine if your sales team secures a big order and registers it in your CRM. From there, your CRM will sync with QuickBooks and update your revenue information with that sale. Next, you need a CRM that grows with your business in ways that make sense. For example, your CRM should enable you to add users with defined roles where they can access specific parts of your system. Likewise, you don't want to expose everyone to everything in the CRM. In addition, your CRM should have future-proofing potential. You might not need many features right away, but as your business grows and teams expand, the CRM should have the inherent or built-in capabilities to support that new work. And finally, this is where customization comes into play. Don't shy away from customization. As SMB owners, we don't want to get bogged down in software complexity or burn our budgets on applications, but there's a balance. Your business is unique, and as it grows, it will become more complex in very specific ways that a stock-centric CRM won't support. The right CRM vendors will customize your suite in ways that fully match your business's unique needs, but within hours of work, not weeks or months. And it will be at a price point that fits in your budget. So now that you know what to look for in your CRM, it's time to take a look at some of the top options available today. We've linked a comprehensive super guide on 8 CRM systems in the pinned comment below. Check it out.